3, 2, 1.
Which of these soil changes is due only to natural causes? The answer is D. Minerals washing out due to heavy rain. I'm often in a living room, but I don't sit or rest. What am I? The answer is A. Television. What other novel by Joseph Heller further explores the motif of bureaucratic absurdity and features some of the major Catch-22 characters? The answer is A. Closing Time. The Sydney Opera House was designed by whom? The answer is B. Oscar Niemeyer. Which root vegetable is orange in color and high in vitamin A? The answer is A. Carrot. What are the two countries referenced in the title of the 2+4 Treaty, which resulted in the first expansion of NATO after the Cold War? The answer is A. East Germany and Federal Republic of Germany. Who discovered penicillin? The answer is B. Louis Pasteur. What can you drive on rails? The answer is C. Plane. Which furniture piece usually has drawers? The answer is A. Cabinet. What tool is typically used to dig holes? The answer is B. Shovel. Not accounting for daylight saving, what is the hour difference between Central Time Zone CST in America and Central European Time CET? The answer is A. 7 hours. What is the longest day of the year known as in the Northern Hemisphere? The answer is B. Summer solstice. Which mathematical term is used to describe the study of shapes and their properties? The answer is C. Geometry. Which information will best help scientists determine if an object is a comet, an asteroid, or a meteoroid? The answer is B. The object's composition. In what capital city does 12-year-old Hugo Cabret live in the Academy Award-winning movie Hugo? The answer is A. Paris. How is meat processed to produce the traditional South African dish called biltong? The answer is A. By curing. In what year were numbers first put on baseball uniforms? The answer is C. 1929. I make noise but don't have a voice. What am I? The answer is D. Speaker. Which of these is the name of a Danish delicacy? The answer is D. Yule Brod. What type of shape does sodium chloride have? The answer is B, cubic. What is the ability to change or move matter? The answer is D, energy. Which system refers to the skin and its accessory structures? The answer is B, integumentary system. Which sci-fi movie features the line, "I'll be back"? The answer is D, Terminator. Haumea, which is the third brightest Kuiper belt object, has an odd oval shape, which is probably caused by what? The answer is A, extremely rapid rotation. What is the name of the first known alien planet outside our solar system? The answer is A, Proxima b. From which 1975 film classic does the quote, "Your mother was a hamster and your father smelt of elderberries" come? The answer is A, Monty Python and the Holy Grail. How does Malfoy join the Slytherin Quidditch team? The answer is C, his father bought brooms for the whole team. I store memories, but have no brain. What am I?
The answer is A, computer.
What is the term for materials that have been left behind by organisms that once lived? The answer is A, fossils. Which of these is the most common result of greenhouse gases altering the atmosphere of Earth? The answer is A, an increase in the air temperature. What is the bright color worn on Wednesdays called? The answer is B, Wednesday white. Which city is the capital of the UK? The answer is A, London. What is the main fabric used to make a kimono? The answer is B, silk. Young eutherians complete their embryonic development within what? The answer is C, uterus. Which of these is not a name of a Calvin Klein fragrance? The answer is A, Dolce Vita. The final American Bandstand and show aired in what year? The answer is D, 1987. Which of these is a tool used by central banks to control the money supply? The answer is B, open market operations. I contain many mysteries yet to be solved. What am I? The answer is B, library. In a movie from 1992, Keanu Reeves played Jonathan Harker, a young lawyer who is assigned to a gloomy village in Eastern Europe. What was the title of the movie? The answer is A. Dracula. Which company invented the World Wide Web? The answer is D. CERN. What is another name for a canine tooth? The answer is D. Cuspid. What is a baking tray called? The answer is A. Sheet pan. What is the color of the dress in the dress chapter in Gone Girl? The answer is A. Blue and black. I am taken from a mine and shut up in a wooden case from which I am never released, and yet I am used by almost every person. What am I? The answer is A. Pencil lead. What do you use to store loose papers? The answer is D. Folder. I protect from the sun, but I'm not sunglasses. What am I? The answer is A. Umbrella. I'm used to open things, but can't be open myself. What am I? The answer is C. Lock. The extensive branching of neurons helps them to perform which function? The answer is C. Communicate with other neurons. Which requires respiration to use energy? The answer is C. Skunk. Which of the following foods is highest in polysaccharides?